Hello friends. Most of the candidates, when they come to me, they ask me, sir, how to prepare for SSB? There are various methods that candidates do use for preparing. The first one is watching YouTube videos like you are watching now. Similarly, there are various books. So many people have written on SSB and how to, even they are not assessors, they have written books and we keep following them. There are many coaching institutes where we go and try to learn how to do and perform in the SSB. And there are other senior officers, recommended candidates who keep giving free advices. First of all, you should understand where you are as compared to what is required. For this, you can attend the free workshop given by Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu in AFOSOP related to gap analysis, so that you are at least aware. Now comes the question, what you should do. First of all, if you ask me, there is nothing that you should do. You are what you are. Yes, there can be few improvements in the personality of a human being at any given point of time or any age, depending on how they work upon themselves. So that is the first thing you should do. Second thing which you should try to do is gather as much of information as possible related to service knowledge, general awareness and various other things which are happening around us. So with these two preparations, as per me, most of the candidates who are capable will get recommended for SSB. However, there are other methods as well. For example, if you want a personality development program, then you should attend the AFOSOP privilege batch, where you get to know more about yourself and what is perception and how you should perceive various stimulus and how you should respond to those. I conduct interview sessions as well as individual interviews. But in case you do not want to do anything, what I would suggest is you must start thinking about yourself. What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? See how you can improve your strengths and work upon your weaknesses. With that in mind, you can clear. Now, once I had gone for swimming classes when I was in my college, I was learning swimming at that time. So there was a coach who was a national level swimming player. So he was coaching us. So he made all of us go to the low depth area and put the hand on the edge of the pool and start hitting the legs. For a month, I was hitting the legs and he was shouting at us, keep your legs straight, put your ankles down, keep your hands straight. For 1 month, I was doing that. And there was no way I was learning any swimming. I was more afraid of water now. Okay? Whenever I went to the pool, I used to get down in that shallow end and I used to hold it and pacha, all of them, the students. Once I saw there was another guy who was in loose shorts, shouting at people, giving, he was from a village, okay, and I saw that few of the boys, they are there running around here and they're jumping here. Then I thought, here something is different going on there. So I went to him. I said, sir, I am learning swimming. I want to do that. He said, okay, come, climb up. So he made me climb to the 5-meter jumping board. So I climbed slowly, holding the rails. Then he said, okay, jump. I said, sir, I don't know swimming. He said, up, jump. Okay, utne mein few of his chelas, they were behind me. I was very reluctant. I was standing there looking down. Okay, utne mein somebody pushed me and I was in the water. Phajak. For some time, I thought I have drowned. I am not coming out. But a few seconds, I realized that I was hitting my hand and I was out of the water. And suddenly that sir took me, pulled me out. He said, go up, jump again. I did thrice. And you won't believe me, I started hitting the water with my hands and my foot. And third time, he did not pull me. I went out swimming. We do the same mistake. We are on the side, reading books, watching YouTube TV, and we feel that now we know swimming. Or we can go and do SSB. It is just by hath ka khel. This does not happen that way. You have to work upon yourself. You have to build that confidence. Go to any instructor who is trying to develop you instead of trying to put polish on you or put a mask on you. Do not try to mold yourself as somebody else. You have to shine yourself as you are. That is what is required. That is what is the preparation required for SSB, which we must understand and do on ourselves. Learn as much as possible without putting any effort for any additional coaching. In case you require to take some coaching, do take. But remember one thing, whenever you are entering the SSB gate, please take out all your baggages and put it outside the gate. What do I mean by baggages? Baggages means Wing Commander Sandeep Raj, Colonel so and so, Major General so and so, leave them outside the gate. Only you should enter that gate and perform as you should perform from your heart. Keep watching our videos. Click the link given in the description. Also, you can watch videos by AFO SOP, and keep this in mind. Do well. Wish you all the best. Thank you and Jai Hind.